Hello everyone, we are Nayuzi. My name is Nadia.
I'm Yuting.
I'm Ziwei.
And we've made EcoVision. So I first want to start off with the question. When was the last time you saw a fox in New York City? Has it been 1 week? A month? Or a year? Clearly, the city faces a huge biodiversity problem. So when we went through our research process, we wanted to tackle the four most recurring issues related to biodiversity.
So the first issue is foot traffic and human intervention. Foot traffic could create a desired path. The number of people walk through in the official trail, they walk through the grass. So it's damaged the grass and the nature habitats.
And then is the urban heat island effect. So cities become hotter than the countryside because the materials like concrete and asphalt absorb and retain heat while green space is limited.
The third major issue is accessibility to clean water. Poor water quality often runs off into ponds, rivers, and lakes near the city.
The fourth issue is pollution. It could be garbage accumulate. Some area is lack of the garbage bin. So people throw the garbage in the street everywhere. So it could be a damage of our life environment and cause some chemical problems. So after the research, we got the painful truth, which is this problem we cannot be avoid. Even humans want to do some well-meaning things, but it still disrupts the ecosystem. It brings us to our how might we? It is how can we show new ways to improve the area we already have that to support more biodiversity in New York City. Let's move on to our product.
So our solution is EcoVision. EcoVision is an immersive alternate reality simulator. It gives you real-time updates on how you can make eco-friendly changes to your neighborhood. In this user scenario, a climate scientist is walking down the street and he wants to know how can he optimize the space. Our first feature is the current map view. As you gesture towards an object, it'll render out the optimum choice. For example, the placement of a trash can could reduce the pollution in this area by up to 30%. Another feature we have is that you can expand the current map view to see a summary of all of this data. You can also place this in the 3D world. Our third feature is the option to swap between an isometric AR map view and a regular AR map view. This allows the user to navigate the space intuitively.
Yeah, so why AR? We believe AR glasses are the most suitable medium for this product because unlike traditional screens, AR let information appear directly in the user's surroundings, which enhances understanding, emotional connections, and willingness to take action. And just to recap, our first main feature is real-time AR, so users can see optimized changes of the city as they walk on the street.
So current map view feature highlights the problem areas is around the users. As you can see, the yellow circle indicates the affected area. So this visual help user to quickly understand where the issue is, which is especially valuable in outdoors. Seeing issues in real time helps user to take immediate actions.
And then after user testing, we decided to add AR map view. So after one click from current to AR map, people can view the optimized city planning.
From the AR map, you can also see the isometric map, which helps visualize the 3D space. This kind of also adds in an element of gamification and exploration within the city. So I bet you're wondering, how does this thing actually work? So our AI works on a sequential process. The first step is it takes a plot of land and then it maps out the correct path. It then adds in trash cans that is based off of the foot traffic and where it's most likely for people to dump their trash. It then adds places, it scans for basically how hot each area is, which are the optimal places to add trees that can reduce the heat. Lastly, it adds in clean water sources for natural plants and animals to thrive.
So we have 3 tiers of users. Our core users are climate scientists, and second tier is government organizations. And in the future, we hope to reach a wider audience to whoever owns a space and wanted to optimize their space to reach a better eco-balance.
As designers, we believe that before you can change the world, you first have to envision it. And we can help you see that world through EcoVision. Thank you.
Next is Team PhD.